The data class database masking wizard uses the data class library with assigned rules to create job scripts. Each table with a field to be masked will have a job script created. All of those job scripts can be executed with the batch file or shell script that is also created by the wizard. Start by right-clicking the data class library, IRI new data class database masking job. Here's where I select my type of output. I can select for it to be loaded into a different database, the same database, which uses update to overwrite the existing data, or flat files, which I will use in this case because it's easier to display the results. Next, here are the 5 data classes that were in the library. I'm going to leave all 5 of those checked. Click Next. These are my 5 data sources that were in the library. And again, I'll leave all of those checked. And I click Finish. So the wizard is now creating those job scripts and batch file. Here you can just see displayed a flow diagram which represents my batch script and the 5 tables that will be manipulated during this project. We can look at those scripts by opening the job folder. In this particular case, I will show you the employees script, see my input, and then my flat file output, which includes various functions being applied to some of the fields. Let me show you what the data looks like as it exists now in the employees table. So you can see here, employee SID is fully visible, as is manager SID. William has the last name Smith. There's a phone number, and to show you what it will look like after I run it, we can execute the batch script. You can see the 5 jobs will be run, and I right-click Run As Batch Program. So now the job is running and has finished, and you can see here in the folder I now have 5 files with an extension of data, which is my output, and I can show you the employees data now, and in the bottom screen show you how it compared to the original data in the table. You can see SID in both employee and manager now have asterisks to redact the first 5 characters. William has a different last name due to a pseudonymization rule. Phone, still in the same format, however the digits are actually changed. So this is how you use the data class database masking job.